Good morning, kids. I hope you are safe and fine at home. Today we are going to learn new concept, more and less. More and less. Shall we? Before that, we have to know what is more and what is less. Okay? More means if we have many things by counting, and less means if we have some of the things by counting. Okay, I will let you know what is more and what is less by using balloon. Yes, I have balloon. Yes, I have balloons. Shall we count how many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here, I have 4 balloons. Next I am going to take other set. See here, shall we count how many balloons are here? Okay, 1 pink balloon and 1 red balloon. We have 2 balloons. See here, we have 4 balloons here and we have 2 balloons here. Which is more? Yes, 4 is more. We have 4 balloons and which is less? Yes, 2 is less. We have only 2 balloons. This is more and this is less. More means we have many things. Less means we have small amount of things. Okay? Next, I am going to take rings. See here, I have 2 sets of rings. One is red color ring and the other is yellow color ring. Okay? Shall we count which is more and which is less? Shall we find? Okay. First we are going to count yellow color ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See here, we have 4 yellow color ring. And other side we have 2 red color ring. 1 and 2. 2 red color ring. Which is more? Which color ring is more and which color ring is less? Yes, yellow color is more and red color ring is less. Okay, shall we find and write in the board which is more and which is less? Now we are going to find which is more and which is less. Okay, shall we find? How we will find? By counting. By counting. Shall we count and write the number and shall we find more and less? Okay, let's do it. Shall we count the flower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers we have here? 6. We have 6 flowers. Shall we count the violet color flower? Okay, 1. We have only 1 violet color flower. Which is more and which is less? Is pink color flower is more and violet color flower is less. Shall we write more? M O R E. More. This flower is less. L E S S. Less. Next we move to here. What is this? Fish and teddy bear. Shall we count how many fishes are here? Okay. 1 and 2. We have 2 fish. Shall we write 2? Shall we count the teddy bear? We have how many teddy bear we have? Yes, we have only 1 teddy bear. Shall we write 1? Okay. Which is more and which is less? Yes, we have 2 fish. This is more. And we have only 1 teddy bear. This is less. On comparing which is more? Fish is more and teddy bear is less. Shall we write more? M O R E. More. Teddy bear is less. L E S S. Less. Next, we move here. What are these? We have butterfly, colorful butterflies and lollipops. Shall we 6. Okay. Which is more and which is less? Yes, the lollipop is more and the butterfly is less. Shall we write more in the lollipop? M O R E. More. And butterfly is less. We have only 3 butterflies, isn't it? Shall we write less? Okay. L E S S. Less. Next, we are going to count the apples in the tree. Shall we? This tree. We are going to count for this tree first. Shall we count the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many apples are there in your tree? 4. Shall we write 4? Okay. Next, how many apples are there in this tree? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples we have? 10 apples. Shall we write 10? Okay. Which is more and which is less? If this tree have more apple and this tree have less apple. Shall we write more and less? Okay, more. M O R E. More. And this is less. L E S S. Less. Next we move here. What are these? Umbrella and balloons. Shall we first count the umbrella? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many umbrella we have? 5 umbrella. Shall we write 5? Next, we are going to count the balloons. How many balloons we have? 1 and 2. How many balloons? 2 balloons. Shall we write 2? Which is more and which is less? Umbrella is more and the balloons are less. Shall we write more and less? M O R E. More. Balloons are less. Shall we write less? L E S S. Less. More and less. Next, what are these? We have basket full of fruits. Shall we count how many fruits are there in the basket? Okay, we have 1 grape, 1 orange, 1 apple and 2 bananas. How many we have? 1 grape, 1 orange, 1 apple and 2 banana. How many fruits we have? Yes, we have 5 fruits. Shall we write 5? See, in the next basket, shall we count the fruits? Okay. 1 apple and 1 banana. Yes, 1 apple and 1 banana. Shall we write 2? Okay. 2. Which is more and which is less? Yes, this basket have more fruit and this basket have less fruit. Shall we write more and less? M O R E. More, less. L E S S. Less. I hope you understand more and less concept. Now shall we do an interesting activity? Now we are going to find more and less. Shall we? Now we are going to find which is more and which is less. We have 2 colors of pens. Shall we find? Now I am going to take orange color pens. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 orange color pen. And now we are going to count green color pen. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 green color pen and 4 orange color pen. Which is more and which is less? Yes, orange color pen is more. We have 4 and green color pen is 3. this is less. Now I have flour and beads. Shall we count the flour? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many flours we have? We have 6 flours. Next, I am going to count the beads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have 10 beads and 6 flours. Which is more and which is less? Yes, 10 beads is more and 6 flour is less. These 2 bowls are empty. Shall we find how many bowls are filled with beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 bowls are filled with beads and these 2 bowls are empty. Which is more and which is less? Yes, filled bowls are more. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 filled bowls and 2 empty bowls. We have only 2 empty bowls. This is less. 4 is more and 2 is less. Now we have red color ball and yellow color ball. Shall we find which is more and which is less? Yes. Now we are going to count how many red color balls. 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 red color balls. And we have only 1 yellow color ball. 3 is more and 1 is less. I hope you understand the concept more and less. It's time for your home assignment. You have to complete page number